The Ministry of Health and Child Care has noted with concern the misleading information on social and print media over the supply of COVID-19 consumables by a company called Drugs, especially on the cost of the consumables that they are supplying. I have to initially indicate that Drugs has not been paid, not even a single cent, for the items under consideration. Those items are not paid for by this ministry or the Ministry of Finance, as was alluded in the social media platforms. And I want to also say there was some negotiations between Drugs and the ministry, in as far as the prices were concerned. The ministry has got a range of prices which they work on, and the Drugs representative had a meeting with our officials, and they had to reduce the prices. And this was indicated, in our tables, which we have publicized quite clearly. And this is contrary to the table which was published in the letter from the Permanent Secretary of Finance. That was just an initial table. However, there was some negotiations, and there was a market reduction in the prices, from the original costs to the costs which were eventually arrived at between the ministry and the company Drugs. So a due diligence on the prices was done. The prices at the factory and at the cost of the freight charges were taken into consideration. The insurance and customs clearances were also taken into consideration in the due diligence in an effort to reduce the prices from what they were, as indicated in that initial correspondence by the Permanent Secretary to our then former Permanent Secretary. In addition, the prices had gone up due to the COVID-19 pandemic, high demand, and you'll find that most airlines had also been grounded. So Drugs argued, that they had their prices at that high level because of the high costs of flying the products in, which were required urgently in Zimbabwe. And as such, you'll find that most airlines are charging a range of about US $18 to $25 per kilogram, which is quite extensive. We also noted that their prices were guided by the Ministry of Health and Child Care's initial guide for COVID-19 responses. The Secretary for Health had published a guide on the prices for COVID-19 products, and this is what Drugs indicated that they had also utilized in coming up with those original prices. And during their initial quotation, you'll find that most companies have closed globally, and if they were opened, they had skeleton staff, to ensure that social distance were observed in line with the WHO recommendations on managing COVID-19. The demand for the products then became very high worldwide, and they still continue to be very high as the population is still required to wear masks and use sanitizers frequently. So this spike in demand led to a spike in the prices as well of anything that was COVID related. In most countries, they also banned the exportation of any products that were COVID-19 related. The country had nowhere else to get products, and speed was of essence, to ensure availability of products, to our population. However, in discussion and in reviewing, we are happy that drugs managed to reduce their prices. In actual fact, they felt that since they had already paid for the products, it was going to be at a loss for them. We are very happy now that there's been a fall, in the prices, though not very significant, and as industries are opening and readjusting the quantities to meet demand. So this has led to the products to be available, but still the issue of freight, still continues to be very high indeed, since most airlines are still grounded. We want to also indicate that it is now our main policy that for any purchases of PPEs or whatever products, we are going directly to source. We're going to China, we're going to South Korea, where we are buying directly and at very competitive prices. So the ministry would like to clearly indicate that the products which came from drugs, which were supplied by drugs, we are still owing them money. We haven't paid for them. Now that there was consensus reached after the review of the cost of the products being in line with the rest of the other companies, the Minister of Finance is going to be given an instruction to be able to meet the costs. We've got the products already, the products have arrived, and they are being utilized by our institutions. So we are very grateful. So let's not run on the basis of misconceptions. Let's not continue on the basis of wrong information. We are there to provide the correct information always. This is something which was done above board, and all the procedures have been followed. So this is what the situation is. And I hope that we clear the anomaly. Thank you.